Every day, thousands of items are shipped through the courier network. Internet technology means that we can track the progress of our deliveries from the moment of dispatch until they are delivered. But that's not the end of the story. In large organizations, the visibility of incoming consignments is lost the moment a package is signed for at the point of delivery. What if you could collect an electronic signature when an item is delivered? Or take a photo of damaged packaging? Do you really know the efficiency of your post room? How many packages have been handled this week, this month, or this year? And how many were personal items? Wouldn't it be great if you could extend the tracking process from the post room to the recipient? What if you could automatically notify a recipient that their package has arrived, or that they need to collect it? Frama Mail Trace addresses all of these issues and many more besides. Simply by scanning your incoming deliveries into Frama Mail Trace using affordable mobile technology, you will always know exactly where it is and who it was delivered to.